and talk to her about certain situations, especially situations like these, and how to approach them.
You know, say all along when things like this happen, Patsy always make me think, say, I me are the problem and I me I think wrong and I think bad about her. But now me hear it from a woman. Now me realize I'm right all along. Cause in every situation, she always be the victim.
Ultimately, in a whisper, the decision is yours. Just remember this: the person who you have in your life automatically going to be in Destiny's life.
Yeah, bossy. Sometimes me just sorry say Antonian so busy. Cause you could have spent more time with you know.
When there's time, bring her around. Remember, we always have to know how to juggle our personal life with work. And we have to pay more attention, worse if a child is involved.
Talking about work. When we ever go over? My second boss.
The way oh your face light up a while ago is what happened. What's the messenger?
No. Uh-uh. As Billy that say, when we go back a spear.
I get a little more time and then we'll go for there.
Someone didn't say anything about the sleep of them and about the stall them I want to set up.
Yeah, I know. You have at least two of them ready. I'm supposed to meet with them too.
Oh, so them are going at training?
Also, them youth had it active before, you know. All we need to do is just brief them.
You know any of them?
Maybe I know them by name, but don't think you ever do any work with them.
Oh, so none of the youth them where they get recruited from the security company.
Also, them would ready for them level here yet.
You hear from camouflage?
Mm. Funny you should call him name. You know, same get a one buyout though. I don't you say? Him can't leave him foot.
That means say man I do him work. Instead to go a good thing that you know. Under your umbrella.
Yeah. You know the truth is, if we'd ever have five more like you, Shadow, and Camouflage, would have good.
So we can just get some new recruits and focus on them.
That's gonna be a little bit difficult. Not that I don't want to do it, but with Daily being on the rampage that him on, him gonna want to make sure so them go through the proper training course.
So the security company now provide a proper training course.
Yeah, that's for regular security. The youths them we need for recruit, them have to come with a special aptitude.
Oh, boys. Concerned about Tony and man. You can't believe such a really go peel the man.
You can imagine how Tony and feel with the hard work where she put in to get this man behind bars.
You think threaten her in no way at all. Make sure do that.
You know, Whisper, may I wonder if it's threatened or maybe her mother just really find somebody where she care about.
No, man. No things I love her turn her and I idiot them.
Remember, love blind. Love make we do all kind of foolishness, Whisper.
You just not gonna accept that.
Well, here we are. Until we do our investigations, we're not gonna know. I just Tonian, me a little bit worried about.
You think Tony and hear from her?
I think she reached out to her, you know, but I don't think she hear now.
Something strange about that still. You know. How him get bail on a charge like that? What kind of link him have in the system?
I can tell you two things. Radcliffe Morgan, and he was an ex-police.
PM Motley prepared to have her US visa revoked over Cuba health. Horace Chang says murder rates are down by 30%. Jacquier heads to Netherlands Court of Appeal on June 18. And of course, Lionel Messi in Jamaica. All this and more on Sunday Night Live at 8 p.m. right after the uploads. See you there.